The Bible is a profound source of wisdom and guidance for millions of people around the world. It offers valuable insights into various aspects of life, faith, and spirituality. In this article, we will delve into 4 powerful verses from the Bible: James 2 verse 24, Matthew 5 verse 20, Ephesians 3 verse 20, and Romans 14 verse 19. Each verse holds a unique message that can serve as a source of inspiration and enlightenment for believers. Let us now explore the profound truths behind these biblical gems. Unveiling biblical insights, James 2 verse 24, and the power of faith works. James 2 verse 24 states, "You see that a person is justified by works and not by faith alone." This verse emphasizes the significance of combining faith with action. It challenges the notion that faith alone is enough for salvation. Rather, it highlights the importance of demonstrating one's faith through good works. It reminds believers that faith should manifest itself in their actions, leading to a righteous and transformative lifestyle. Through this verse, James teaches us that true faith is inseparable from deeds that reflect the love and compassion of God. Matthew 5 verse 20, unpacking the true meaning of righteousness. Matthew 5 verse 20 unveils the true meaning of righteousness by stating, "For I tell you, unless your righteousness exceeds that of the scribes and Pharisees, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." This verse challenges the prevalent view of righteousness during Jesus' time, which was often limited to superficial adherence to religious rituals. Jesus calls his followers to a higher standard of righteousness, one that surpasses external actions and delves into the purity of the heart. It compels believers to cultivate a genuine relationship with God, demonstrating righteousness that is rooted in love, mercy, and justice. Ephesians 3 verse 20, discovering the limitless power of God. Ephesians 3 verse 20 proclaims the boundless power of God, stating, "Now to him who is able to do far more abundantly than all that we ask or think, according to the power at work within us." This verse invites believers to recognize and tap into the limitless potential that resides within them through their faith in God. It reminds us that God's power is immeasurable and can transcend our human limitations. Through this verse, Paul encourages believers to have faith and trust in God's ability to accomplish far more than we could ever imagine, both in our lives and in the world around us. Biblical gems, unraveling the hidden truths of Scripture. The Bible is a treasure trove of wisdom, offering profound insights into the human condition and the nature of God. The verses we have explored, James 2 verse 24, Matthew 5 verse 20, Ephesians 3 verse 20, and Romans 14 verse 19 each illuminate a different aspect of faith and spirituality. They remind us of the power of combining faith with action, the true meaning of righteousness, the limitless potential of God, and the pursuit of peace and unity. By studying and reflecting on these biblical gems, we can deepen our understanding of God's teachings and apply them to our lives, ultimately growing in faith and becoming better individuals.